What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6.
Do you drink water first?
Yes, I do.
Do you drink water first?
Yes, I do.
I think mornings set the tone.
Yes, you're right.
I think mornings set the tone.
Yes, you're right.
Do you stretch in the morning?
Yes, every day.
Do you stretch in the morning?
Yes, every day.
Stretching feels refreshing.
That's a good point.
Stretching feels refreshing.
That's a good point.
Do you feel energetic after that?
Yes, very energetic.
Do you feel energetic after that?
Yes, very energetic.
Do you avoid your phone early?
I try to.
Do you avoid your phone early?
I try to.
I think that's healthy.
I agree.
I think that's healthy.
I agree.
Morning habits matter a lot.
Yes, they do.
Morning habits matter a lot.
Yes, they do.
I feel ready for the day.
Me too.
I feel ready for the day.
Me too.
Do you exercise daily?
Yes, I do.
Do you exercise daily?
Yes, I do.
What kind of exercise?
Walking and yoga.
What kind of exercise?
Walking and yoga.
I think walking is easy.
Yes, and effective.
I think walking is easy.
Yes, and effective.
How long do you exercise?
About 30 minutes.
How long do you exercise?
About 30 minutes.
Do you go to the gym?
No, I exercise at home.
Do you go to the gym?
No, I exercise at home.
Home workouts save time.
That's true.
Home workouts save time.
That's true.
Do you stretch after exercise?
Always.
Do you stretch after exercise?
Always.
I think consistency is key.
Absolutely.
I think consistency is key.
Absolutely.
Exercise improves mood.
Yes, it does.
Exercise improves mood.
Yes, it does.
I feel healthier already.
Same here.
I feel healthier already.
Same here.
What do you eat for breakfast?
Fruits and eggs.
What do you eat for breakfast?
Fruits and eggs.
I think breakfast is important.
Yes, very important.
I think breakfast is important.
Yes, very important.
Do you avoid junk food?
Most of the time.
Do you avoid junk food?
Most of the time.
Junk food affects health.
You're right.
Junk food affects health.
You're right.
Do you eat vegetables daily?
Yes, I do.
Do you eat vegetables daily?
Yes, I do.
How about sugar?
I try to limit it.
How about sugar?
I try to limit it.
Less sugar feels better.
That's true.
Less sugar feels better.
That's true.
Do you drink enough water?
Yes, regularly.
Do you drink enough water?
Yes, regularly.
Healthy food gives energy.
Absolutely.
Healthy food gives energy.
Absolutely.
Eating well is self-care.
I agree.
Eating well is self-care.
I agree.
Do you meditate?
Sometimes.
Do you meditate?
Sometimes.
Meditation reduces stress.
Yes, it helps.
Meditation reduces stress.
Yes, it helps.
Do you take breaks at work?
Yes, short breaks.
Do you take breaks at work?
Yes, short breaks.
Do you sleep well?
Most nights.
Do you sleep well?
Most nights.
Sleep is very important.
You're right.
Sleep is very important.
You're right.
Do you avoid late nights?
I try to.
Do you avoid late nights?
I try to.
Do you feel balanced?
Yes, more than before.
Do you feel balanced?
Yes, more than before.
Healthy habits build confidence.
Absolutely.
Healthy habits build confidence.
Absolutely.
Small steps make big changes.
That's true.
Small steps make big changes.
That's true.
I enjoy this lifestyle.
Me too.
I enjoy this lifestyle.
Me too.
How was your day?
Very productive.
How was your day?
Very productive.
Did you stay active today?
Yes, I did.
Did you stay active today?
Yes, I did.
I think today went well.
I agree.
I think today went well.
I agree.
Do you continue tomorrow?
Definitely.
Do you continue tomorrow?
Definitely.
Healthy habits feel rewarding.
Yes, they do.
Healthy habits feel rewarding.
Yes, they do.
I feel proud of myself.
You should.
I feel proud of myself.
You should.
Happy. Let's stay consistent.
Absolutely.
Happy. Let's stay consistent.
Absolutely.
Help is a daily choice.
Very true.
Help is a daily choice.
Very true.
Thanks for the motivation.
Anytime.
Thanks for the motivation.
Anytime.
See you tomorrow.
See you.
See you tomorrow.
See you.